Crash Course, Massachusetts State. Geolocation and Capital. Massachusetts is located in the northeastern region of the United States. It is bordered by New Hampshire, Vermont, New York, Connecticut, and Rhode Island. The capital of Massachusetts is Boston. Population and economy. With a population of over 7 million people, Massachusetts is the 15th most populous state in the United States. The state has a diverse economy, with sectors such as education, healthcare, technology, finance, and tourism playing significant roles. Massachusetts is home to renowned educational institutions, including Harvard University and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, which contribute to its innovative and knowledge-based economy. Education. Massachusetts is known for its exceptional educational system. It is often referred to as the education state due to its prestigious universities and colleges. In addition to Harvard and MIT, the state is home to other renowned institutions such as Boston University, Tufts University, and the University of Massachusetts System. Brief history. Massachusetts has a rich history dating back to the early days of European colonization. The region was originally inhabited by Native American tribes, including the Wampanoag and the Massachusetts. The Pilgrims arrived in Plymouth in 1620, establishing one of the earliest English settlements in North America. Massachusetts played a crucial role in the American Revolution, with key events such as the Boston Tea Party and the battles of Lexington and Concord taking place within its borders. Cultures and politics. Massachusetts has a diverse cultural landscape shaped by its history and immigration patterns. It is known for its intellectual and artistic contributions, as well as its rich literary heritage, with famous writers like Henry David Thoreau, Ralph Waldo Emerson, and Edgar Allan Poe associated with the state. In terms of politics, Massachusetts is generally considered a liberal state and has a reputation for progressive policies and social activism. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Boston Tea Party. In 1773, a group of colonists in Boston protested against British taxation by boarding British ships and dumping tea into the harbor. This act of defiance, known as the Boston Tea Party, became a significant event in the lead-up to the American Revolution. 2. The Salem Witch Trials. In 1692, the town of Salem experienced a period of mass hysteria, resulting in the execution of several people accused of witchcraft. The Salem witch trials have since become a symbol of the dangers of religious extremism and injustice. 3. The Freedom Trail. Boston's Freedom Trail is a 2.5-mile-long route that takes visitors through 16 historically significant sites, including the Massachusetts State House, Paul Revere's house, and the Old North Church. It offers a glimpse into the city's revolutionary past. 4. Cape Cod. Located on the eastern coast of Massachusetts, Cape Cod is a popular vacation destination known for its picturesque beaches, charming seaside towns, and rich maritime history. It offers opportunities for swimming, fishing, boating, and exploring quaint villages. 5. Harvard Square. Situated in Cambridge, just across the Charles River from Boston, Harvard Square is a bustling cultural and intellectual hub. It is home to Harvard University and features a vibrant mix of bookstores, cafes, shops, and street performers. 6. Martha's Vineyard. This idyllic island off the coast of Cape Cod is a favorite retreat for celebrities, politicians, and vacationers seeking a tranquil getaway. It is known for its beautiful beaches, picturesque towns, and a relaxed atmosphere. 7. The Museum of Fine Arts. Located in Boston, the Museum of Fine Arts is one of the most comprehensive art museums in the world. It houses an extensive collection of artworks from various periods and cultures, including masterpieces by renowned artists. 8. Fenway Park. Fenway Park is the oldest baseball stadium in Major League Baseball and is home to the Boston Red Sox. Attending a game at this historic ballpark is a must for sports enthusiasts and offers a unique and exciting atmosphere. 9. The Berkshires. Nestled in the western part of the state, the Berkshires are a scenic mountain range known for their natural beauty, cultural attractions, and outdoor activities. The region is home to Tanglewood, the summer home of the Boston Symphony Orchestra. 10. Plymouth Plantation. Located in Plymouth, Plymouth Plantation is a living history museum that recreates the 17th century English colonial settlement. Visitors can experience life as it was during the time of the Pilgrims and interact with costumed interpreters. 11. Old Sturbridge Village. This living history museum in Sturbridge provides a glimpse into rural New England life during the early 19th century. With over 40 buildings, including homes, farms, and workshops, it offers an immersive experience of the past. 12. Mount Greylock. rising to an elevation of 3,491 feet. Mount Greylock is the highest peak in Massachusetts. It offers stunning panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and provides opportunities for hiking, camping, and wildlife observation. Summarization. Massachusetts, a state with a rich history and vibrant culture, is known for its educational institutions, diverse economy, and significant contributions to the arts and sciences. From the bustling city of Boston to the tranquil beauty of Cape Cod and the Berkshires, the state offers a range of attractions and experiences for visitors. Whether exploring historic sites, enjoying outdoor adventures, or immersing oneself in the thriving arts scene, Massachusetts has much to offer. Chorus. Massachusetts, land of old and new. From historic tales to skies so blue. With knowledge's flame and minds so bright. A state that shines both day and night. Bridge. Boston streets, a blend of old and new. Where history whispers, and dreams come true. Harvard's halls, a temple of knowledge. A beacon of light, a path to college. Chorus. Massachusetts, land of old and new. From historic tales to skies so blue. With knowledge's flame and minds so bright. A state that shines both day and night. Algaro. Cape Cod's beaches, a coastal retreat. Berkshire's mountains, where nature's heartbeat. In Massachusetts, stories unfold. A place of culture, a tale to be told. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.